Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix login failed in Etoro. This is a very interesting video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can get the full information. Now the first thing that you should try is to go ahead and make sure that the credentials that you have used are correct. As an example, I have signed up for the first time using my Gmail account, which means when I try to sign in, I'm not going to use this access right here or this feature, which is username or email and password. In fact, I don't really have a password because I have signed up using my Gmail. So when you try to log in, you need to actually sign in with Google. This is the first thing that people have a lot of problems doing it. Sometimes they go and sign up with Google, but they ended up logging in with email and password, but in fact you haven't even written a password in the first place. So log in always with the method that you have chosen. This is the first thing that you should do. The second thing is to make sure that your credentials are correct. So here, simply just make sure that you have read your password. You can go here and click on this little eye so you can check your password and read if you have written it correctly. Sometimes you have like even a little bit mistake, like a capital letter could literally give you this error. So make sure to fix that. The second or the third solution that you should try is to delete the cookies themselves. So get to reset permissions and also go to cookies and delete those two. This will reset any corrupted files to the normal functional way of the platform. So if there was any lag or something like that, this should fix it. And the last thing is to actually check if the servers of Etoro are down. So you can go and search for Etoro server status, and here you can go and view all the system operational. As we are talking today, is login and registration has been working without any problem for the last 90 days. So you can check this platform, check if there was any mistake. If there was, this is from their end, so wait for them to fix it. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.